ladies, and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, today I'm here solo to show you this beautiful fall winter collection from Anne-Marie Chagnon. All right, ladies, well, this is the fall winter collection from the beautiful designer from Montreal. She's such a beautiful, vibrant woman. I'm going to show you a few pictures here of her in her lookbook. She seems so radiant and vibrant, and you can see it in her jewelry as well. I would love to meet her one day. I've never met her. I've only met the reps in Toronto who carry her collection of beautiful ladies in Toronto who represent the line there. But one day I'm going to do that. Maybe when I go to Montreal, I would love to go to Montreal again in the summer for the tennis open. The men will be playing there. I cannot wait. So maybe I will send her an email. I'm like brainstorming outside here, ladies, and I think I'm going to do it, and we'll do a little vlog on it. So, but that won't be till August. Okay, I want to dive into this beautiful line. I am so excited about it. We got some different pieces that we've never sort of had before. She has such a vast collection always, and we dialed in on some beautiful colorways for this season. So I will get into that. But before I do, ladies, I just want to let you know some exciting news. I haven't really shared a lot of personal things with you ladies lately, but I am on my way to Ireland with Ryan, and our kiddos are a little disappointed that they're not joining us. We definitely do things with the kids, but we are going. So friends of ours are actually, it was kind of one of those conversations. We were having a nice dinner with friends, and they were like, yeah, we're going to Frankfurt for a conference, and we're going to stop in Ireland for 4 days. And we were like, oh my God, we should meet you there. And then they were like, oh my God, you have to. And then it just kind of tumbled into this fun night of turning into, we're going to Ireland. So we're going for a week. And ladies, I'm excited to tell you that when I'm back, I will show you a video that I will take throughout the way there. And we're not leaving yet, but I'm still sort of brainstorming on how I'm going to pack. So we are renting a little car. We just upgraded it to a little bit of a bigger car because there's 4 adults traveling, and we're going for a week. I'm hoping to do a carry-on. I know my mom would be saying to me, take the carry-on, you're fine. And I will try, but I think it's going to be a little chilly and rainy there. So I feel like, you know, I'm gonna need more things. But I said to Ryan, what if we bring 1 suitcase and a check-in and 1 carry-on, and then we split. And he's like, but I get some of your room in the big suitcase, right? I'm like, you can have a little bit. Of course. So we'll see. This is a mystery, and you ladies will be listening to see how Tessa's trip to Ireland was and how it goes. But I will vlog some pieces of it for you, so you ladies can enjoy the little journey with me. But I should get into this beautiful jewelry line because I'm way off here, but I was just excited to share that with you because I feel like it's been a little while since I've been away. Okay, so I have on, what do I have on? Okay, so I have on these earrings here. I'm going to show you a close-up picture of them. But what I love about these dainty earrings, they're super light, and I think they're very artsy, and they're not going to take away from other pieces. So I have this fabulous necklace on. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have it right here, and it's got some pearls on it with some silver here and just a leather chain. Beautiful closings here too. She always does at the back here. So there's a few different adjustments. You can make it a bit shorter and a bit longer, which is great. All of these pieces are so well made. And I just want to say they are so wonderful too if anything happens, just like we are as well. If a component breaks or something breaks, they replace it or will replace something similar. So their customer service is awesome, which we absolutely love. And not to mention, they are Canadian made in Montreal. So we love to support lines like this, but especially this one is so funky and artsy, and it adds right in here with Lousje Bean. We could not carry it for years, ladies, because a store down the street had carried it since before we opened. So we were always so sad because every time we always walked by the booth and we were like, but we could not. So now we got it and we are holding on to it and we love it. So we're embracing this collection. So this is the statement piece, I would say, for the necklaces, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then it's moving into these guys here, this one here, which is quite cool. It's all metal chains here and silver, and this one is adjustable, so we can play with the length, which is so cool. And look at the end too, like I'm gonna do a little close up of that, but you know, it's got her little tag here and a little necklace loop just for some texture and coolness on there. And then at the bottom here, it's this really cool sculptural piece with a little drop and the glass there. So all these different components, you know, kind of like so totally different than Ayala Bar, but it reminds me in the sense that she uses a lot of different components in her jewelry making, which makes it so interesting. So that one we did in the white. And then here is a cute little dainty one, which I believe matches the earrings that I have pretty much, or sorry, these might be these earrings here. So I was trying to match things up because I love that simplicity, beautiful classic colors. This is just gonna go with anything this set right here. Okay, ladies, and I just a little gonna touch on my outfit here today. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite outfits from Elambika. Absolutely gorgeous. This skirt feels like $1 million. It's got a lot of stretch in it, ladies. So I'm wearing the smallest size, but it's nice and fitted, but I like that. And then it kind of flares out. And then this sweater is like the perfect height for it. It is super cute. So this guy here, well, first of all, you can flip it and wear it long, which is quite neat. Very dainty. I love that too. Sometimes it's nice to have some dainty pieces. We do carry a lot of chunky ones in the store, as you know we love, but sometimes it's nice to just have a little dainty necklace. And the rings here too, I want to show you. There you go. Look at, I wore the V-neck, especially for these beautiful necklaces. So we have a few different rings here, but this guy here we have in 3 colors. So they're all adjustable. So I could wear this one. This is sort of the gray stone in there. And you just pull it in the front to adjust it. Look how fabulous that is. Isn't that so classic and beautiful? Okay, and then this is like a ruby red here. Fig. So they have, like, she has all these color collections. So that is matching the earring set here. Which is so beautiful. Excuse me. And then here is a purple, which, what are we calling it? Dusk. So this is the Dusk collection. Like, look at this, I love it. These rings are like dynamite. So we'll do close-ups of that. But look at how vibrant this purple color is with the black stone on the bottom and the silver. And all lever backs, which we absolutely love because you're not losing these puppies. So that is great. The clasp is pretty firm and good. This is also, I'm kind of jumping all over here. This is what I always do and I'm so sorry. Just so excited. But so here, I'm just gonna stick with the Dusk collection. So we've always carried these big guys, which are so beautiful. And but I kind of delved into the more dainty one, which I think is absolutely beautiful as well. Look at how pretty that is together. So alongside, we have the bigger, chunkier one as well in the Dusk. Like, these are so awesome. Like, that's just right up me and Lousje's alley. Just those big chunky bracelets, such a statement piece. And then some beautiful earrings here. These are Orchis Dusk. It's the color way. And then, so a couple of really dainty, cute earrings there. And then we're gonna go over to, it's called Fall Blossom, which I wanna show you a few. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it here. There we go, you guys can see those. So here is Fall Blossom. So beautiful. Again, 3 different adjustment lengths here for this necklace, which is really important, I find. And it's really neat how she does it. It's like a little rectangle piece that goes into this oval hole. Very cute. So I'm gonna put it on the shortest one, I definitely want to keep it in my V-neck here. So look at that, how beautiful that falls and how pretty the combination of the colors are. So there's 2 different bracelets here. This is the Fall Blossom in the thinner one. And then we delved into these guys, which we've had before, which are wonderful. So it's actually, half of it is like a structured metal piece and the other half is elastic. So they're very easy to get on. You kind of put it on its side and put your hand through, and then you can just see how beautiful that falls and how cool this little guy's sticking out, and then all the beautiful fun colors there. Earrings to match. What do we have here? So that was this is Fall Blossom here. Okay, so here you saw this guy, and then there's also the Bony. That is the silver, gold, and black. Really cute combination as well. This one is a bit of a thicker necklace way, so it's got a little bit bigger beads on it, you can see. And then if you wanted a little daintier, ladies, there's also this one here, which is quite beautiful. And then this guy here is the C notes, which is absolutely stunning. Like this one is so beautiful. Look at that. Almost like a deep, deep emerald, but look at how stunning that is. And I just want to show you some earrings that go with that. So there's Sea Note and then there's Seashore, which are very similar. So again, you can have the bracelet with the earrings here. Such a gorgeous combination. And then these were my favorite earrings. So I got these in all these 3 colors, but these, and ladies, the price of these, $35, Canadian made, absolutely gorgeous, so artsy and fun. That's why we love this collection. It just, look at how beautiful those are. So you have to check it out on the website because there's beautiful pictures on there. But I do want to show you one piece here. Well, this guy too. This was one of our top sellers last season, and we had it in the black, and then we restocked it in the Breeze, which is the clear glass with the silver and the gold and the bracelet to match. And then this piece here, look at this. This is also the Sea Breeze, kind of that Sea Note collection, but look at how beautiful that is. So you can have the necklace, and then we can switch up from the little dainty bracelet up into the thicker bracelet, and absolutely gorgeous. For even with this outfit, it totally picks it up. So I'm going to switch out my ring here just to have some fun, and I'm going to pick up this guy. This guy is so beautiful. It's also adjustable, but it's got this like brushed sort of gold with the silver, and it's a little bit more substantial, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So look at these earrings to go with, like wonderful. These ones have a gold clasp. The little pearls to me are just so dainty and beautiful. The Ziska collection, we also carry the bubbling pearls always because it's so classy and goes with everything. It's kind of that chameleon, and Lousje wore those pearls to her wedding, if you remember. But this is the Cat's Meow here. There's 2 colors in this piece. We did a beautiful black with some gold, silver, and then this really neat kind of olive glass there on the bottom. And this guy has quite a few functions, I believe. So let's play here and see. So at the top, there's like a burgundy little glass bead. Oh no, it feels plastic actually. So you can run the chain through it so that you can make this really, really super long, which is a bit dramatic. We're not gonna make it that long, but you can definitely play with having it. So when you pull it down, then you have these pieces dangling, which I love too. That's such a great statement piece. So that is such a beautiful, classy piece. Got the ring on to match and the bracelet. And then, so you can take the silver chain out. There's 2 little loopy things there. And then you can make it into a long necklace like that, which you can play with as well. Or you can make it into a shorter necklace and then pop the hole in there. So how beautiful is that? So about 3 different combinations with that, which is super cool. All right, and I just want to show you the black one on, because again, that is so beautiful. It's very substantial. It's very light actually, to be honest. Like I don't like things that are heavy, but this is actually very light. So we are going to put on one more ring here for you lovelies. And this is a gold, brush gold here again, or sort of matte gold with some silver. And then I'm just gonna have to open it up a little bit because it's a little bit small. So there we go. And perfect, fitting perfectly. So there you go. So many different color of earrings here. You have to check them out on the website. They're so beautiful. This is our beautiful collection that we chose from Anne-Marie for fall, winter. And ladies, watch out for my Ireland adventure. Are you excited? Because I'm pretty excited. So another thing about that too is we've been watching the show Guinness, the series Guinness, the Guinness family on Netflix. So I highly, highly recommend it. I know Lousje and Glenn are going to start watching it, but we binge watched it before we were leaving just so that we can see, you know, a little bit of a sneak peek of what we're going into. I mean, that was done in the 1900s, but it's just like, I just love all that history, and I can't wait to see the Guinness factory and go through it. And we were out on the weekend, and we ordered a drink, and Ryan ordered a Guinness, and he said, I want to taste it here, and then I want to taste it there and compare, because apparently people say once you have a beer at the Guinness factory, you're converted. And so I had a sip of it, and it was actually really light. Like I guess I never had a sip of Guinness before, but it was very light, and I actually enjoyed enjoyed it. And I'm so excited for that part as well. But we're gonna rent a car and we're gonna drive around for, I think 7 days we're there for, six nights, sorry. And we're gonna cruise around to Ireland and we'll see. But Ruby's making fun of me because of my suitcase, because I was really trying to do the carry-on. We'll see, maybe I'll pull it off. I'm just thinking, why make life difficult when I can bring the bigger suitcase. But we're gonna have a rental car. So anyways, we'll see ladies. That's gonna be a mystery in what I'm gonna bring. I already know what I'm bringing and how I'm gonna dress. And one coat, Lousje Bean, my waterproof Chloe coat, and I'm gonna bring my one pair of running shoes, sneakers, but they're my street shoes, which I'm excited about because they look really good with all my skirts. And I'm gonna bring a couple of warm dresses and skirts and leggings, and I think I'm gonna be all set and I'm gonna look stylish. I'm gonna have my Ayala bar in, and maybe I'll bring some of this beautiful Anne Marie. I feel like one of these bracelets would just be like the cat's meow for the whole trip. You could just put this puppy on and be styling in every outfit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And also please subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps us further our beautiful channel to other lovelies like you. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow.